This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by kthomas. Just north of Jolly in Clay County, this solid 1,915 square feet brick home is situated on 5 acres. With 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2 living areas, and a wood-burning fireplace, there's room to spread out and settle in. All generous rooms. The oversized laundry, with sink, and sunroom are spaces you'll love. Outside is where it really shines, a 1,250 square feet shop with 2 roll-up doors, additional garage/storage buildings, a tank, and the entire property is fenced and cross-fenced. Only 15 minutes to WF and 20 minutes to SAFB. For more information, review the details below or contact kthomas at 940-692